In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Revit. So all you need to do is in your desktop where you'll find your Revit icon, you'll need to right click and then you'll need to click on properties here. And then you can notice in target towards the end, we have something called the language code. And in our case, we're going to use the English version. So that's ENU. So in most cases, in your case, it would be ENU. In case you like to change the language, these are all the supported languages that Revit has to offer. So for example, if you like to change it to German, so it's DEU, you can either copy this, go back to your properties window here, and then simply type in DEU or paste that in. And then when you click on OK, you need to click on continue here. And now when you open Revit, it would be in that particular language that you saved it in. In our case, let's stick to English. So I'm going to keep it as ENU and then click on OK and double click Revit to open it up. For this course, I would highly recommend that you stick with the English version. But if you'd like to follow along with your preferred language, you can do so as well. But in this course, all of the options would be shown in English. All right, with that out of the way, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.